I have been doing affiliate marketing with video for many years. I use an easy method which doesn't require you to film yourself or talk in the video. You don't need a website or any money at all to get started. All you need to get started is a PC and an internet connection. In this video, I will break down the 5 simple steps you need to follow to start affiliate marketing with no money. I will also show you how to make between $100 to $300 a day on autopilot, so make sure to watch till the end. To be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to deliver the right offer to the right customer at the right time. And that essentially comes down to 2 things. The first thing is an offer. In order to make money, you need to have something to market. That is why the very first thing you absolutely need is the right offer. To find such offer, visit offervault.com. Offervault is an affiliate marketing search engine that can quickly find you cost per action offers from over 60 affiliate networks. If this is the first time you are hearing of Offervault, give this video a like. Whatever your niche is, just typing in the relevant keywords will provide you with counted products you can promote. You can also filter by network, category, or country. If you know about a network or have worked with the affiliate network before, you can use this feature to select multiple networks. If you have a specific interest in a certain category like sports or social media, set that here so you can choose the one that's most relevant for you. The country search will help you determine the offers from specific countries and ultimately better conversions. As an example, let me type make money. Here it shows the related offers, how much the payout is, the type, category, the network. Let's look at this product, Overnight Millionaire. So for example, if you want to promote this product, click Join Network. It is free to join. Just fill in the information they have asked for. I'm already a member, so I will sign in. Here you see the product details. The commission for this product is 92% and you get around $44 per sale. So if you get 3 sales a day, you can make over $100. Keep watching. I will show you how to do that. The next step is to get the affiliate link. So just copy it here. So now you have an offer. The second thing you need is traffic source. The offer of yours has to go somewhere. Basically, you need eyes on what you're marketing. The better match between the traffic sources, target audience, and the contents of the offer you're promoting, the higher chance that it will be a profitable deal. So how do you sell your offer to the audience? And that's where video comes in. Most people create review videos or how-to videos to do affiliate marketing with video. Keep watching. I will show you an easier way on how to make affiliate videos. It uses free audio, free images, and I will even show you a simple way where you can get a free video editor. To get the free audio, head over to archive.org. It is a site which has a collection of audio files, video files, images, and so on. 90% of this is copyright free. Click on audio. What you're looking for is someone speaking. Basically, spoken word that you can place over your videos so people can listen to. Then click on audiobooks and poetry. In the search box, type a keyword related to the product you chose. In the above example, the product I chose was related to making money. So I need to make a video which is related to making money. So let's type getting rich. Set the media type to audio. Here you see various audio clips. Let's just click on this. Under usage, you can see here that it's public domain and CC, which means Creative Commons. You can preview and see if it's something you like, then you can download it. Now you have the audio. Let's move on to images. You can use a site called Pixels, download a few free images related to making money. Again, just type the search box and you can download a couple of images. To create the video, you don't need fancy skills. There are free editors you can use whether you are on Windows, Mac or Linux. I created a previous video on free video editors. Watch that video if you need a free editor. For the purpose of this video, I will use the inbuilt video editor in Windows. Go to Photos and then click Video Projects. Name the video and add the images and audio. Drag the audio and the related images to the storyboard. You can use the motion to give some variety. Once done, you can render the video. Now we have done with creating the video. The next step is to upload the video to YouTube and promote your affiliate link. The most common way to place the link is in the video description. However, there are a couple of other ways to promote your affiliate link with YouTube videos, which I covered in previous video. You can use one of those methods as well. Now, how do you make money? So let's say the video is getting about 500 views each day, and then 100 people clicked on the link in the video description. And out of that, 3 people went on to buy this product. For each sale, I get a commission of $44. If I get 3 sales a day, that's more than $100 a day. So that's how you make money with affiliate marketing with video. If you want to make $300 a day, you will need 10 sales a day. Likewise, you can do the maths and see roughly how many views you need. That brings me to the most important step, which is step 5. But let's just recap. First, you need to find a high converting offer, then get the related audio in the same niche. Next, download the related images, put the images and audio together in the video and add the affiliate link in the video description. So the 5th step is to get views to the video. Promote the video to the target audience. Here are a couple of ways to do that. I have covered in detail these methods before. I will link those in the video description. The simplest way to get views on your video is to get your video ranked on the first page of YouTube. You can also use social media sites like Facebook, Reddit, and Pinterest. There are also specific sites where you can promote your video to get views. Now you saw how to start affiliate marketing with no money. Affiliate marketing with videos is a simple way to make money online, so give this method a try.